Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we dive into this reading, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So we do not have any gender right here, and of course this is timeless as well. Yan, na babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers, you can flip roles if you want. At syempre at the end of the day, you still have your free will. So let's go ahead and check this out, no? Ano ba yung mga mensahe for you? Virgo. So, Spirit and Angel, Guides of Angel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for me, dear Virgo people, please? This is for Virgo. Virgo. What do we have here for Virgo, please? Okay, so yeah, we've got the energies already. Okay, so it's coming in strong. So the first energy we've got here for you guys is this Six of Swords energy. Okay, you're arriving at your destination. Yung iba maaring single mom or single dad. That doesn't have to be. Pero nakita ko rito na you're coming out of the dark place already. No, dark place is a symbol of betrayal, yung mga syonget na nakaraan, no, yung mga pangit na mga nangyari sa inyo, no, past experiences, no, nakikita ko dito that you've arrived already in healing, no, nag-heal na kayo dito, no, you're ready now to this new journey of your life, no, naka-move on na kayo, no, nakikita ko rito na palabas na kayo dyan, no, mahirap yan at mabigat, no, na na pinagdaanan ninyo pero you're coming out from that, no? I'm seeing healing here, no? Finally, no? Nagme-mend at nag-mend na ang inyong heart here, no? Ready to fight na ulit kayo ngayon, no? Sa buhay. There's consistency with number 4 and number 5. This could be somewhat special here for you guys, but may consistent dito, no? Na pagkakaroon ng determinado na parang nagdedesisyon ka, no? Nalalaban ka na ulit ngayon sa life mo, no? Kasi nag-healed ka na, nakita tayo dito na parang mag-move forward ako sa buhay ko, I'm now seeing my worth, no, maaaring nag-self-care, nag-self-love kayo rito, no, yung iba na may anak, no, nag-focus kayo, no, sa future ng kids or ng child ninyo, no, if meron kayong anak, no, here, but yung iba naman doesn't have to be na may anak kayo, no, but you're moving forward, okay? I'm seeing you fighting here. Yan, no, see, determination, confidence, no, lumalaban na kayo ulit ngayon, na parang nagkaroon kayo ulit ng bagong buhay, Virgo, no? I'm seeing passionate Virgo, ready to conquer whatever it is. Yung iba maaring nasa Egypt, no? Or nagbakasyon kayo doon or na-visit nyo yun, no, recently, but doesn't have to be, baka galing kayo doon. Pero nakikita ko rito na you're on heat, you're on fire, no? You're giving a lot of passion, no? Para sa paglaban rito, no, sa iyong life, no? This is you, no? Excited ka, no? Parang ang taas ng energy mo na maghanap ng bagong trabaho, if you're looking here for a new job, no? Or looking here for other ways, no? How to improve your finances. Kung may job ka naman na or business, gusto mo pa ma-improve ito, I'm seeing a lot of determination. You're like a student, no? Studying, gathering informations that might increase your money flow, no? Mag-ascend ng money mo here, no? A lot of confidence. I'm seeing passion coming from you guys. And what I love about this is hindi mo na hinahayaan na ma-hassle ka dito. So you're moving to opportunities na yung interest mo is nandun. Yung hobbies mo, no, while doing it at the same time you're earning money. So yung business mo related sa sarili mo, may interest ka, no? Konektado sa sarili mo. Yung confidence mo mataas, yung passion mo nandoon, no? With the Knight of Wands energy, I'm seeing you ready na ano man yung ibigay at ibato sa yung challenge ng life. Sorry, lumunok lang, no? Challenge ng life, no, is yakang-yaka mo, no? Yun ang nakikita ko here. Wow! Wherever you're moving, look at that, no? Wealth is coming in your life. You have the power to make your life stable, permanently na stable, no? Yan, no? See, finances it is. Look at the child, no? Kung may anak kayo ngayon, mga babes, no? Like you're single mom and single dad, no? Swerte ang anak mo sa'yo para mo siyang lucky charm here, no? But if you do not have any child or children here, this child is a symbol of you, no? Di ba pagkabata, excited to do things, new things, no? And this is yung nakikita kita dito, no, na yung galak at tuwa mo is parang like a child, no. You will receive here some kind of a confidence, no, dahil na-conquer mo na ang battle na to sa life mo. No, yung iba, ayan na kasi mga babes, no, yan na yung huli na makakaranas ka ng punto na parang lugmok ka eh. Yan yung huli na sitwasyon na mararanasan mo yung too much pain eh. Parang isa itong pagbabagong buhay at papunta ka na rito no, sa masagana, okay? Mas mayabong, may kaunlaran, no? Mas peaceful na life here for you and your children if you have children, no? For others, no, that do not have children here, papunta na kayo dito, no? So something stable, something na there's this a lot of kung commitment man to nakukuha natin, no, may makikilala kayo rito na someone na talagang magko-commit sa'yo. Okay? Pero sa nakikita ko rito, whether you're single parent or not, okay? Nakikita ko rito na mukhang aayusin, natutulungan ka ni universe na ayusin mo na yung financial na status ng life mo bago ka magkaroon dito ng romantic, no, colorful love situation. I do see someone here coming into your life, pero nakikita ko, no, na darating siya, no, pagtapos na ayusin dito ni universe ang iyong financial, no, financial, yung nakikita ko nga ayusin niya muna rito. Yan. At ang maganda, ang bongga, no? Five of Wands energy, Four of Cups. Nakikita ko rito na ikaw to na hindi ka basta-basta magagrab ng opportunities, no? Kung hindi mo na-feel na dadalhin ka nun sa kaunlaran, sa abundance at prosperity. May mga magpapakita sa iyo ditong opportunities, no? At nagiging kang matalino, wiser ka dito, no? Na pag hindi yon hindi mo igagrab. Okay? At ang maganda rito, no, yung pinakamalupit na natutunan mo na masakit na nangyari sa yung past ay nagbigay sa iyo rito, no, ng daan para mas mag-isip bago magdesisyon at gumalaw ng aksyon, no, at dito natuto ka, no, napahalagan yung sarili mo. Parang never na ako na mai-involve sa isang situation na mapapagod ako, na hindi ko magugustuhan, no, like i-involve ko yung sarili ko dun sa bagay na naka-align ako at gusto ko talagang gawin. So, options will pop out into your life, whether it's related to money and finances, and even options when it comes to love. You're wiser, no? You're making decisions right here, no? Before ka mag-proceed sa action, nakikita ko rito na talagang yung intuition mo pagaganahin mo, no? Together in the alignment sa iyong soul, heart, and mind. Very good, no? And we have here the Queen of Cups. Yun na nga yun. Very intuitive you. Okay? At ang maganda, kung sino man yung taong paparating sa buhay mo, no? Very loving energy. Very compassionate, very nurturing, very caring, and this is someone here, no, parang meron siyang energy na alam mo yung maganda yung pagpapalaki sa kanya ng parents niya, no? Punong-puno siya rito ng pagmamahal, no? This could be someone here who will be passionate towards you. This person will express to you consistently na yung intentions niya sa'yo is maganda na. And this could be someone younger than you by age, no? Pero young yung vibe niya. So, pwedeng ka-age mo siya or older siya sa'yo, pero young yung binibigay niyang vibe. So, ibig sabihin, this is the energy here of someone, no, na funny, light-hearted, no, at magaling magdala ng mga sitwasyon. I like it, no? And let's see at the bottom of the deck, we have here this Eight of Cups energy, Five of Wands, and there's this World card from here, and there you go. You have here this Five of Cups. So I do pick up right here na kung sino man yung nakadil mo na nagbigay sa'yo ng major heartbreak, na especially when it comes to love, nakikita ko na may nag-e-end sa kanyang life, no? Kung saan yung nag-e-end na yun is parang may kinalaman sa happiness niya, no? Pero, it is meant to end. Okay, kailangan matapos 'yun 'no. Ngayon nagkakaroon rito ng kaguluhan 'no, like literal na parang medyo magulo ngayon yung life niya wherein parang hindi niya alam kung what's gonna happen next 'no. Pero ang sure dito is magulo yung life niya dahil dun sa nag-end na 'yun 'no. I'm picking up 'no, just like how this resonates to me. This is very specific pero kunwari example 'no, kunwari example. May English yun. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Example, no? Yung happiness na yun, meant to end, diba? Kunwari ganito, happy siya kasi nandoon siya sa state of buying material things. Consistently yun. No? Tuloy-tuloy na happy siya pag nakakabili siya ng online, mga jupatos, jumit, no? At mga bagay na material na mga bagay, no? At maaring yun yung nag-end, no? Kasi yun yung happiness niya. Example yun, ha? So, yung nag-end na yun, no, doon na nagkagulo-gulo. Kasi, for example, let's say, nagkaroon ng pagbabago or changes sa policy ng kanilang company or sa business niya, may nangyaring ganon, no? At yun yung nagkaroon ng parang effect doon sa kanyang, let's say, addictions, no? Kunyari, addictions niya yung pagbili-bili ng mga material things online, no? Or kung may iba pa, no? Like, liquors, no, drinking liquors, no, or cigarette smoking, whatever addictions is that, parang natigil yung happiness na yun. Pero that happiness is meant talaga na matigil, no? Kasi kailangan niya na rito tumawid sa new chapter of his or her life, no? The next thing that will happen here na hindi niya nakikita is this person's gonna remember you. In the upcoming days, I do sense, okay, 18 days from now, or let's say, okay, 9 weeks or 8 weeks from now, this person will definitely remember you. Okay? At hindi niya mapipigilang mangyari with the chariot card right here, Virgo. Iisipin ka niya kahit ayaw niya. Wala siyang choice, no? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. But wow, you're heading towards this 10 of coins energy. Aayusin mo na mga babes, no? Tutulungan ka ni universe, ayusin yung buhay mo, no? At magsisimula daw kayong magtulungan sa financial mo na, no? Bago padatingin si Prince Charming or si Princess or si King or si Queen sa life mo. So, thank you so much, Virgo. Sarang ngayon, love and light